We can't have you guys thinking that we actually know what we're doing.
You're giving away our secrets.
I am definitely giving away secrets here today. This mess that is all over my counters is what happens when you decide to do ornament DIYs and have multiple epic fails. Hi, welcome to the House of Valentina. I'm Valentina and this is my home, and I am so excited that you're here today. We are counting down the days until Christmas. 25 days, 25 videos to celebrate the holiday season. This series is just absolutely packed with so many fun ideas. It's full of tips and tricks. It's full of shopping ideas and room makeovers. We just hope more than anything that you'll take away so much joy during this holiday season through this series. We're so delighted to have you here at the House of Valentina, and let's jump into today's video. Hi guys, welcome to the House of Valentina. I'm Valentina and my husband Jack is here with us today, and today's video is going to be super quick and super easy. I've got this guy here and he has a short attention span and crafting is not his thing. So This will either show how easy these are to do, that even he can do them, or it will be an epic fail and you guys will realize that I'm a genius.
And that I'm not perfect.
The first ornament that we're going to make is so cool. I made a few of these early on, and they are full of glitter and they are so easy to make, and you've got one there with snowflakes on it.
Snowflakes.
So you're not gonna believe how easy this is. It's ridiculous. I've got some coarse shaped glitter, and this one is little snowflakes, which I know is kind of hard for you guys to see, but it is just from the craft store. This is nothing fancy. Just take the top off gently. Okay, and then we give this spray adhesive a good shake. You're gonna love how easy this is. You're gonna realize that I'm not the genius you thought I was. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of the adhesive in there and get it kind of all the way around.
That's crazy.
Okay, and then I'm gonna do the gold. I'm just gonna pour this in. Ah, I'm making a mess. I just cover it with my finger and shake.
How do you get it all on the inside?
Just kind of rotate it. There's mine. What I love about this is that you can't hear me if you do that while I'm talking.
Did I put this in there?
Yeah. What I love about this is that there's no mess other than a little bit because I was messy, and you're getting yours in there perfectly. Did you get enough in there? Oh no, put your finger up. No.
Like that?
I don't think you put enough in it. A little bit more, honey. A little bit more.
More glue?
No, not more glue. More glitter. You gotta have enough to shake it around.
I can't tell you how many times I've said that in my life. More glitter.
Still
More
don't know
glitter.
if you've put enough in there. There you go.
Please cut that part.
I won't.
There's not too way too much.
No, it's perfect. Because
Oh.
the glue is gonna dry.
Yeah, but yours
maybe
looks so pretty.
Yeah,
Like,
there is a little too much in there. You know what you can do? You can.
extract.
I'm helping you. You can just shake it out. There, there's your first one.
Yay.
Am I cheating? I helped you. The next one is just as easy as the last one. So all you're going to need is an ornament. So we're going to I'm gonna let you use the extra fine glitter if you want to show them that. I'm using coarse glitter for mine. And he's gonna use the extra fine, and you can do this in any color.
Which matches me. Extra fine.
Oh my God. Where do you come up with this stuff? Moving right along, and then I've got Mod Podge, and I'm just painting this kind of downward.
Paint the whole thing?
I want it to look like this is kind of cascading down, and if you want to do yours cascading up from the bottom.
But I'm terrified of doing this in a second.
Why?
Because I don't do crafts.
Okay, your turn. Okay, watch. Look, I'm just gonna take this and sprinkle glitter on. And I'm literally using the box from the ornaments. So you can use a box, or I gave him an old
An old
gift box.
gift box.
Okay, so look how simple that was. My recommendation is to have the little hooks nearby so that you can take this and put the hook on the top and stick it on the tree to dry.
Trying to do what you did, but you made it look easy. Blah, blah, blah. Alright, now just throw glitter on it. It's so cool, it's like a little snowscape.
I know.
So it's like the snow's on the ground.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah. Our final one are these that are decorated with just glue and making a design. You can make yours however you want. The lines are definitely easier to do. We're each gonna make one of these and see how it goes. So we're using the same glitter from before.
But now we're using what, super glue?
Okay, yes.
So is it good to stick your finger and glue it to the thing?
It really will stick. I'm being serious. You really have to be careful.
We're going to one of those ugly sweater parties tonight.
You can have it attached
I
to
can
your
just glue
finger.
balls to all my fingertips. Oh my god.
Hey guys!
If I could somehow get that off later without having to go to the emergency room, I would.
Yeah, you really do need to be careful with this.
Oh my God, that would be so fun.
I'm using crazy glue. I really am not crazy about this glue.
I'm using Gorilla Glue.
I can barely squeeze it. I don't like it. It's got like a thing where you squeeze and it's very difficult to use.
Okay, so I
if
just
you hold it like that, I'm afraid that it's just gonna like...
My depth perception is totally going wrong with my reflection.
I'm not sure. Okay, I'm gonna try to focus for a minute. I'm literally just gluing a line and then gluing
That's fun.
little leaves.
Oh, that's really fun.
And I learned earlier that this stuff dries really fast.
So do you glitter
Hence
as you
the
go?
reason you don't want
You glitter as you go.
You glitter. I glitter as I go. Because earlier I didn't and I had to go back and try to fix it. Wow, I'm gonna crazy glue glitter to my finger.
Well, we are going to a tacky sweater party.
This is the sacrifice that I make
part
for
of it.
YouTube.
So do I start now?
Yeah, if you want to. So you gotta make sure you have enough, but you don't want it like dripping everywhere.
Is this where we talk about, like, if this was on TV, wouldn't we make witty banter about something?
About what? Say something funny.
I don't know.
That's your job. That's why we
I know.
hired you.
That was for my good looks.
That too.
Not so much.
Oh gosh.
You glitter on it?
Hey, that's really good. You did a great job. Yeah, then you just put the glitter on
Oh
it.
my god, I love this glitter.
I'm gonna get you that for a Christmas present.
Oh my god, seriously. Bad day at work, just come home and glitter something.
It's gonna be like the new sand pit thing. We're gonna make millions. What were you thinking?
That I got done before you.
No girl likes that.
That's just how it is.
Well, I think that mine, ooh, God, that's ugly. You can
God.
always go back and add a little bit more if you need to. Something looks really ugly, but that was so simple. Just took a couple minutes and they're done. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed these DIY ornaments. I hope that what you'll take away from this is that it's very simple to make gorgeous ornaments. And be sure to visit us at housevalentina.com. Check out more of our projects and things that we're up to there. Also, check us out on Instagram, Valentina Fossil, and The House of Valentina, because we love to be able to update you more and be a part of your lives on a daily basis, and that's where it's easier for us to do it. And of course, we would love if you've enjoyed this video, if you've enjoyed this series and are looking forward to more tips and tricks for decorating your house, staging, styling, and so much more that's coming in the new year. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and we will see you guys very soon. Bye.
Bye. God, thank God you're here.
For so many reasons.
No, I'm serious. Kids wouldn't be able to eat. I would be naked.
Oh my God, you and my mom would get along. She likes all that glitter. She's gonna die when she sees this video, and then I made
know.
something with glitter on it, and I didn't invite her to the
That's
glitter
why
party.
she loves me. That's why I'm like the son she never had.
She has sons. Look. I got 2 of them.
Yeah, but they don't play with glitter on Saturdays.
No, they don't. I'm gonna make you a Zen garden with glitter. It's gonna be your Christmas
God,
present. I
this
gotta go
is
find a little rake.
Amazing. Truly amazing.